So what's up mga ka-J-Vlog, Maring Ana is back, and for today's video, price update naman tayo sa base model ng KingL Telecom. But before that, I just want to share ang location ng KingL Telecom. So KingL Telecom is located at 3rd floor V Mall. So if ever na pupunta kayo dito, walk-in customer, sakay lang po kayo sa elevator or escalator, and then go and proceed sa 3rd floor. Nasa gitna lang po sila, and then dire-diretso lang po kayo. Okay, so quick price update lang tayo mga ka-J-Vlog sa kanilang base model dito sa KingL Telecom. And lahat ng unit na ipapurchase nyo dito sa KingL Telecom, you also have a gift box. So sa gift box, alam nyo na kagad yung inclusion nyo to. Hindi ko na kailangan isa-isahin pa to. And meron din kayong 2 free silicone cases. So aside from that, meron din kayong chance manalo dito sa kanilang on-the-spot raffle ng charger, case, earpods, and also Android phone. So, let's start first sa pinakamataas na version ni iPhone right now sa base model niya. Ating base model. So, we have here XR. So, we have 3 different colors in here. Coral, product red, and also black. So, these are the stocks that we have in KingL Telecom. So, we have 128 and 256 gigabytes in here. So, for iPhone XR, for 128 gigabytes, the price of that is, where is it? So, 128 gigabytes, 11,500, and 256 gigabyte, that is 13,000 pesos. Again, mga ka-J-Vlog, sa lahat ng price list po na babanggitin ko, you also have a cashback which is 500 pesos cashback. Basta followers lang po kayo and subscriber kayo sa ating YouTube, and also nakafollow kayo sa page ng CMP Gadget and also sa kanilang TikTok. So, we have here 3 colors when it comes sa iPhone XR nila, but you don't have to worry if ever man na naghahanap kayo ng other colors sa XR nila, like blue, something like that. Just as an assistance sa mga staff nila dito sa KingL Telecom. By the way, yung makikita nyo pala dito sa KingL Telecom is si Boss Eli and also si Belen. And sa baba naman, which is CMB Gadget, makikita nyo doon si Boss Mayet, si Alma, si Ate Mary Rose, and also si James. And CMB Gadget is located at 2nd floor sa Tiangge. Hanapin nyo lang po, XA07, hindi po sila lumipat. Okay, so let's proceed sa iPhone 11. So we have iPhone 11 in here. Ang nag-iisang color na lang, ang color lang na available dito is yung black nila. So sa iPhone 11, they have 86 and 84 battery health and 82. But if you're looking for 100% battery health, again, just as an assistance, they will help you po. So iPhone 11, 128 GB. So iPhone 11, we have 2 kinds of variants. 128 gigabytes, that is 14,500. The 256 gigabytes, that is 16,000 pesos. Again, a minus cashback pa po yan mga ka-J-Vlog. So ito yung available na unit dito sa KingL Telecom. But later on, let's try to check the battery health of each base model entry. So second is, we have here iPhone 12. So we have blue and also yung white in here. So we have 86% battery health, 64 gig, 128 gigabytes, and also 256 gigabytes. But may 64. So we have 2 variants dito sa KingL Telecoms when it comes sa iPhone 12 nila, 128 gigabytes and also 256 gigabytes. So for 128, that is 17,000, and for 256 gigabytes, that is 19,000 minus cashback. So that is the available variants of KingL Telecom. Ayan. And the last one, when it comes sa base model natin dito sa Kingel Telecom, is yung pinaka mabenta talaga sa lahat, which is yung iPhone 13. Though hindi lang naman to yung mabenta sa kanila, pero sa base model, mostly talaga mabenta is 13, of course. So we have product red, blue, white. White ba to, lab? So we have white in here and also black. So they have 4 different colors when it comes sa 13 nila. Sa base model, they also have a lot of choices when it comes sa battery health. And we have 3 variants when it comes to 13. We have 128 gigabytes, that is 22,000. 256 gigabytes, that is 23,500. And also for 512 gigabytes. And for 512 gigabytes, that is 26,500 pesos. Again, mga ka-J-Vlog, marami po silang choices or marami kayong choices when it comes sa color and battery health. So let's try to explore battery health first of iPhone XR. So let's pick this limited edition color of XR, which is yung coral nila. Let's try to open this. There you go. Let's just open this one first. Again mga ka-J-Vlog, sa lahat po ng presyo dito, minus cashback pa po ito, which is 500 pesos. And also, meron pa kayong gift box, 2 silicone cases, and also, kasali pa kayo sa on-the-spot raffle nila. So, open na yung ating XR. Let's try to check the battery health. So, we have here 81% battery health. When it comes naman sa mga battery health, mga ka-J-Vlog, if ever man, nakita nyo na mababa yung battery health na meron sila, ang Kingel Telecom, you don't have to worry, that battery health is still fine. Kahit po 75 pa yan, 80%, that is still fine. You can still use that mobile phone, gaming, pictures, and also for vlogging if you really want to start vlogging also. So that is the battery health of XR. Let's try to explore the camera of this. Ayan. So ito yung photo ng XR, and look at that. When you zoom in, it's still clear. Portrait, pano, video, slow-mo, time-lapse. Then I try to check the front-facing camera. Medyo ayan, so far naman, maganda pa rin talaga yung quality ng XR. So far mga ka-J-Vlog, maganda pa rin naman yung quality ng ating iPhone XR. So next naman mga ka-J-Vlog, let's proceed sa ating iPhone 11. So sa iPhone 11, let's try to check yung 82% ng battery health. Again, if and also mga ka-J-Vlog, if ever nagda-doubt kayo sa battery health na nakikita nyo is unit sa Kingel Telecom or sa CMB Gadget man, you also have a way to check this using 3U tools, okay? Almost done. So, bukas na yung 11 natin. Black yung available color na nakuha natin. And let's try to check the battery health of this. Okay, hold on. So, settings. There you go. Oops. So, battery health, ayan, 80% yung battery health ng ating iPhone 11, 128 gigabytes. So, let's try to check the camera. So, sa camera naman, a good thing about this and what I love the most with iPhone XR, dito na kasi magsisimula yung ating 0.5, which is super mabentang-mabenta sa mga Gen Z. Ayan. So, look at that camera. It's still good and superb quality. Let's turn this one off and let's proceed to iPhone 12. So, sa iPhone 12, since favorite color natin is, since favorite color ni J-Vlog is blue, let's try to open this iPhone 12 256 gigabytes with 100% battery health. Hold on. so open na natin siya. Ay, sorry. And then, let's proceed to settings, battery, and then battery. 100% pa yung battery ng iPhone 12 natin na 256 gigabytes. Ayan. Look at the camera quality of this iPhone 12. Grabe, no? Kahit naka-zoom, sobrang linaw pa din niya. Okay. The camera of this 12 is still good also. Alright, next proceed sa ating 13. So, sa 13, mas okay sa akin yung red. So, 85%. Since this one is already open, let's explore the battery health. So, we have 85% battery health sa kanilang iPhone 13, 128 gigabytes. And when it comes to camera, that is the 0.5 view, and this is the front-facing camera. Ang ganda talaga ng ng mga camera ng iPhone. So that is the camera and also battery health flex So that's the camera and also battery health of base model ng ating mga camera dito sa KingL Telecom. Again, mga ka-J-Vlog, located po sila sa 3rd floor, V-Mall. Sa center lang po sila. Sa gitna lang kayo and then dire-diretso. If ever naman na nagtatanong kayo, Maring Ana, when it comes naman sa payment method, anong offer ni KingL Telecom or CMB Gadget, we also have cash, GCash, bank transfer, bank, card, debit card, and good thing is, nagpapautang po sila. Yung installment, that is, depends on your credit card. May specific amount, alam ko, when it comes sa interest, sa kanilang Facebook page, yung naka-blue check. And make sure na CMB Gadget talaga yung kausap nyo. Check nyo lang yung link natin sa kanilang page, sa description box. Andyan po yung link ng kanilang page. And they also offer cash on delivery. Yes, and nationwide, they offer cash on delivery with minimum amount of down payment, which is 3,000. Maximum, I think that is 5,000 pesos. And if ever naman na nearby Metro Manila kayo, yes, they also have cash on delivery nearby Metro Manila. But I just want to be clear sa mga buyers po natin dito sa KingL or CMB Gadget or KingL Telecom, when it comes po sa delivery fee, that will be shouldered by the buyer, okay? So, that's it, mga ka-J-Vlog. Anyways, when it comes naman pala mga ka-J-Vlog sa warranty, they have 7 days replacement warranty, of course. The warranty will be voided if ever na sira yung screen nyo, water damage, software damage, something like that. But you don't have to, or they also have 3 months service warranty. Sa 3 months service warranty, i-help po nila kayo sa 3 months service warranty, help po nila kayo pag meron mang problem sa cellphone nyo. So, again mga ka-J-Vlog, that is just a quick update sa base model ng KingL Telecom. Thank you so much for watching, and bye yours.